If you love coding but hate confusion, then let's clarify JavaScript's most misunderstood keywords. Starting with var, your old school buddy. Introduced with JavaScript itself, var is function scope. This means if you declare a variable with var inside a function, it's accessible throughout that function, even before its declaration due to hoisting. But here's the catch. var allows you to redeclare the same variable without complaints, which can lead to bugs that are hard to trace. Moving on to let, the more disciplined relative of var. Introduced in ES6, let is block scope. So, if you declare a variable with let inside a block, say an if statement or a loop, it's only accessible within that block and not outside. This gives you a tighter control, reducing the risk of errors and making your code more predictable. Then comes const, also block scoped, but with a twist. Const stands for constant, meaning once you assign a value to a const variable, you can't change it. This is perfect for values that you know won't need to be modified, like configuration settings or important constants you use throughout your app. So here's the quick scoop. Use var for function scope flexibility, but watch out for bugs. Choose let for block scope variables when values need to change, and go for const when they don't. Simple, right? Keep these tips in mind and your JavaScript will be cleaner and more efficient than ever.